Hello, and today I will show you how to use VirusTLNR's Among Us mod installer. First, you gotta go to the GitHub, and you click on the mod installer. It is important to note at the start this will only work if you are on Steam. You're then going to want to open up your downloads. My downloads are here. You're going to come to it. You're going to right click it. You're going to extract the file. That will open up this. Once you are here, you will run the mod installer exe. It'll open up to look like this. You will then select an install location. I already have an installed version of it here, but for argument's sake, we're going to go here and I'll install it to my downloads. You can install this anywhere you want on your computer. It does not matter. I'm just going to create a new folder. And at the time of recording, this is Town of Us Mira 1.5.0 is the version that I am going to be downloading for this tutorial. So you'll then select that folder. If you have the Among Us version installed on your computer that you need for the version of the mod you're downloading, you want to click Install Vanilla Client. It is checked by default. If you need to use a public previous version of Among Us on Steam, uncheck this, but Mira 1.5.0 runs on current version. You'll then select here are the role mods that are offered at the time of recording. You will select Town of Us Mira. It will then automatically select the most recent version. Here are all of the different versions. Now there are 3 add-ons that you can add. You can add Level Imposter, Submerged, and Among Us Unlocker. Once again, they will auto to the most recent version, but you can select any past version of these mods. For this tutorial, I will install all of them, and I think all these are very nice add-ons to the game. Next, all you will do is click Install Mods. And you will see immediately in the designated install place, a folder will start to become populated with the installed stuff. This can take a couple seconds. There is the first round. There'll be more files to be included. As you can see, the program right now is not responding. That happens when it is installing. That is perfectly normal. There is the rest of the mods. Also, it will, when it comes back, and you're able to click Install Mods again if you want, that is how you know it is now active. Now, all you got to do from here to run it is make sure you have Steam opened. As you can see on my computer, my Steam is opened. I can click on my Steam here to continue what I was doing. If your Steam is closed, it will not work. You need Steam opened. You'll then click the Among Us exe. The first load of any new mod installs will take a couple minutes to load. I will sit here and show you the load time I get for this one. It should take me about maybe a minute or two to install. I've had some people that this takes upwards of 5 minutes to open the first time. It's just Among Us trying to process all of the mods. Once it is opened, I will then just show you quickly that all the mods are indeed installed. And that is how you use this. It is very simple. It is convenient. It is currently PC only. And we will be receiving new versions of this as time goes on. As you can see, the screen went black. That is because Among Us is now opening. If I were to click on it, you would see my mouse spinning. That is also perfectly normal. That happens all the time when loading Among Us for the first time after an install. I just got my NVIDIA overlay pop up to show that the game is now indeed loading. And there is Among Us loaded. And once we get through the loading screen here, you will very easily see that all the mods are indeed there. Up here it says Town of Us Mira. That's a giveaway that this is working. It will show you your version once this is done loading. It'll show you your version over here. There's the Town of Us Mira version. There's the Submerged version that got installed. All of this is also stuff. You can see that the Better Imposter mod got installed because we have access to more maps. So we can tell that this all worked. You have a lot of great access to custom maps here. Final thing I will show you is if you want to host a modded lobby and you don't know how, you go to Online, you go to Create Game, you go here, you will select the region that you want. In my case, it's modded NA. This is going to be a private lobby, so it doesn't matter to put it in whatever. You can put it in beginner, intermediate, expert. None. Doesn't matter. It's a private lobby. You can select the map here if you want to do it here. This does include the backwards scaled. You got normal scaled and you got backwards scaled. There is submerged to show that you do indeed have submerged installed. You will then do create game. I will confirm that I want to play with these settings. And now I am in the lobby to just show you that all of the cosmetics are there. And you can see here's all the colors that you get by playing Town of Us Mira. And here are all of the cosmetics in Town of Us Mira. But if we go to the final page, you will also see we have all of up-to-date cosmetics from Innersloth. You get this with the you get better maps. All the maps with level imposter, not better imposter. You get all of the cosmetics with the A Unlocker add-on. I highly recommend it. It lets you get cosmetics that you missed. If you missed any of the pets, you get them all this way. And then just to show you that we have indeed Town of Us Mira with all of the roles, we can go here to roles, and we can see here are all. Yeah, that's a new thing. I don't know why this is happening. If you use my scroll wheel, it does this now. I don't know. That's a new feature of 5.0. I don't think that's meant to be there. You can now see here are all of the roles. None of them are on because I don't have a rule set applied. But that is how this all works. It is very easy to do. It's just a couple of clicks. And if you guys enjoyed playing some more Modded Among Us, thank you for watching.